Welcome to Hubtown Premier, a 2 BHK, 700 square feet, usable carpet area, beautiful 25-story project with 3 wings, 3 towers coming up in 7 bungalows, Warsaw, a red carpet living. That's your Kokilabin Ambani Hospital living space. Have a proper look at it. That's where we enter from, living space here. And a 1 acre garden will come up. A 1 acre garden here will be coming up very soon for the Society of Hubtown Premier. So there are 3 entries, 1 from there and 2 from Kamdenu and the main JP Road, Warsaw. So 700 square feet carpet area at a fantastic rate. One of the bedrooms here, beautiful tiling, almost as good as the marble, shines and has a lot of sheen, non-slippery. 4 bungalows, 7 bungalows, junction, beautiful. So there are 3 iconic towers, Bel Air, Beverly and Malibu. It's got panoramic sea view from above levels as well. This is a beautiful bathroom here, spacious and humongous. The size is 10.4 by 4.5. Good space with the shower cubicle area. This bedroom is 10.2 by 12 feet. And the living room here, this is by a 10.11 by 12 again. The dining area separately given here, and it's got a lot of space. You can have a 8.8 into 7.5, big dining area. The kitchen is humongous. The feature of this is the kitchen sizes are big, so it's 8.4 into 10 by 10, 10.10. And the utility area would be separate, and a lot of space again here for the utility area. So utility area is 6.11 by 3.11 size. Good space given, big kitchen. So this is how it will be given. You can put your own decor and design, and you got space for the refrigerator. We enter from there. The passage here is big, so this is the passage area, 3.5 by 6, and that's your second bedroom, which is attached, and the bedroom size is 6.5 into 5.8. Lovely, great design decor, bathroom fittings. Now this bedroom, the size is 10.1 by 12, so good size is actually 700 square feet in the new construction. Is a viable, feasible and a rarefied, brilliant Hubtown Premier, the iconic project. Rafiq Merchant, new properties every day on my YouTube channel. If you want to run a sell, holla at me guys. Cheers.